How do I decrease CPC in Google Ads? Well, you can go at the keyword level and increase or decrease your keyword bids, but just decreasing the CPC is not a good strategy for Google Ads. And here's why. If your campaigns are performing and are profitable, then you want to be as competitive as possible. And what I mean by that is you don't want to be losing out on the search impression share. You want to get as many clicks or as many impressions as possible for those keywords. Decreasing it will reduce your ad rank. That means your ads are going to be less competitive in the auction. You're going to get less impressions, less clicks, less conversions. So overall, your campaigns are going to go down. The focus should be on increasing your profitability. So what I mean by that is if you are looking, and by the sounds of this question, you are looking to reduce cost, and everybody wants to reduce cost. That's not a bad thing. But what you want to do is, if you were to increase your quality score, your ad rank is going to go up and your average CPC is going to go down automatically. So the focus for me would be to increase your quality score and increase the landing page experience. Because if you can make your landing page a bit more faster, you are going to increase your conversion rates. And you will also get a higher quality score, because the landing page experience is one of those factors which affects the quality score.